Hello students, welcome to the section 5 of information security course, which is password cracking techniques. In this video we are going to take a look at various points like introduction to FTP and how you can install FTP in Windows using FileZilla. So here we will do a practical in this section in which we will try to hack FTP username and password using Kali Linux. So first of all, to create the test bed, we need to install FTP in Windows operating system. Now, one important thing is you can install FTP in your main operating system. Means you don't need to install it in your virtual Windows operating system, because if you install it inside the virtual machine, then it can give you some troubleshooting errors, means some missing libraries, etc. So as it is not a hacking tool, so you can easily install it in your main OS. And we will use FileZilla to install FTP in Windows operating system, and we will try to hack that FTP using Kali Linux. So first of all, in this video we will learn how you can install FileZilla FTP in your main OS. In the first video of section 5, we will learn how you can install FTP server in your Windows operating system. So basically you need to download FileZilla in your Windows operating system or main OS. So you can open Google and type download FileZilla server. So you can see here that you can see the first link, which is of filezillaproject.org, and it is for FileZilla client. So we are gonna find for FileZilla servers, we need to open the FileZilla project, and here we need to find the FileZilla server. Here you can see that this is FileZilla server, and you can click here to download it for Windows, yes, and again click here. So you can see that it will start downloading process in 3, 2, 1 and start. So you can see it is a just 2 MB file, and it is a FileZilla server which you can save, and it has downloaded here. So now you can install FileZilla server in your main Windows operating system. So click here, yes, and click on I agree. Now it has, by default it has tick on FileZilla server, yes, administrative interface. We don't need to use the source code. Start menu shortcuts are fine, desktop icon is fine, and you can hit on next. Here you can provide the destination folder where you want to save the FileZilla servers. I'm not gonna change it, so it is my C folder, program files and FileZilla server. So please choose the port. The admin interface of FileZilla server should listen to 1265535. So you can also put a port number here. I'm not gonna change it because it is unused port in my system. So it uses 14,147 port number, and you can see here that please choose how FileZilla server should be started. So install as service started with Windows. There are other options as well, like install as service started manually, and do not install. Second one is also not for us, and first one is fine, install a service and started with, and hit next. Please choose how the server interface should be started. That is fine, and you can install it. So it will take some few minutes to complete the installation, and hit close. So FileZilla has been installed in your system, and it will open up like this, and you can hit on connect, and this has been started. So this is the FileZilla server, and how you can provide shared folder inside FTP, I'm gonna show you. First of all, we need to set up a username and password in this FTP server, and we need to give it a folder which is a share folder inside the FTP. So FTP is a file transfer protocol, so we need to give a folder, and we need to put username and password. These two tasks here. So first of all, you can click on edit, and click on users here. So you can see here that shared folder is here. In general, you can see you can create users also. So I'm gonna first create a user here. So click add and type the name. So I'm typing my name, Sunil. Okay, and I need to set up a password as well. So you can tick on password and you can type password. I'm using the same password, Sunil, and you need to give a shared folder here. So I'm gonna add a shared folder. So I'm gonna click on add, and you can go to any folder like desktop, and I'm giving it this folder and hit on OK. So all the settings are done, right? So you can cross it, and I'm gonna again find out here FileZilla server interface and hit here and restart it. So that is fine, and I think FTP is open in our Windows operating system. You can type IP config here, and the IP address of Windows operating system is 172.20.10.2. So FTP colon 172.20.10.2. Enter. Here you can see that you can type the username Sunil and password Sunil and hit on OK. And you can see here that the shared folder is available here. We have set up the FTP in our Windows operating system properly by using or by downloading FileZilla server inside our Windows operating system. So it's quite easy to install FTP inside your Windows operating system, and you can set a password and username in it, and you can give a folder to it so that it will become a shared folder, and any person in your network can access that folder. That is the work of FTP, file transfer protocol, port number 21.